In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Gmail account with ease and ensure your email stays secure. Whether you're using a shared computer or simply switching accounts, taking a moment to log out properly is always a smart move. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to gmail.com. It's the one-stop shop for accessing your Gmail inbox and all your email needs. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself staring at a familiar site, your inbox. But today our focus is on the top right corner of the page, where your profile picture or an initial representing your email account is located. This little icon is your gateway to managing your account settings, and today it will help us log out securely. Go ahead and click on that profile picture or initial. Doing so will open a menu revealing a variety of options related to your account. Among these, you'll find the option to sign out. But before we click, let me just quickly explain the importance of this step. Logging out of your Gmail account, especially on devices that are shared with others, provides an extra layer of security, preventing unauthorized access to your personal information. Now back to our process. Clicking Sign Out will successfully log you out of your current Gmail session. It's a simple yet effective step to take whenever you're done checking your emails on a public or shared machine. But what if you've been multitasking, hopping between different Google accounts? Well, Gmail has thought of that too. Instead of the regular sign out option, you might see an alternative. Sign out of all accounts. This option comes in handy if you've signed into multiple accounts at the same time. By selecting this, all of your sessions will be closed in one go, ensuring that no account remains unintentionally open or vulnerable. To recap, whether you're logging out from a single account or multiple ones, Gmail provides a straightforward and secure method to do so. Simply identify your profile icon in the top right, click to open the menu, and choose the appropriate Sign Out option. It's that easy, and it's a great habit to form whenever you're on a device that's not your own. By taking these simple steps, we're ensuring our online presence stays safe and private. So next time you're done with your emails, remember to log out as a best practice. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. Stay safe and see you in the next video.